too legit to quit. Hi. On today's Lending Listicles, we show you 5 ways to show a seller your offer is legit. Number 1, get pre-approved. Do this before you even start house hunting. It helps you refine your home search because the last thing you want is to fall in love with that cute craftsman or beachy bungalow before you know that you can afford it. Number 2, find a personal connection. Stand out from other potential buyers by writing a personal letter to the seller to show them how much you love their house. Number 3, speed up the inspection. Making this a speedy process shows the seller you mean business. We all know a waiting seller is an unhappy seller. 4, don't be greedy. This is all about inclusions. The items a seller might be willing to leave behind as part of the sale, like appliances, window blinds, and ceiling fans. If it doesn't say it's included, don't worry. You might end up saving more money buying it yourself. And 5, be flexible on the closing date. Sellers prefer to get this done fast, so try to remove any roadblocks that could help speed up the process. For more lending listicles and questions about the mortgage process, check out the Movement Mortgage blog or contact a Movement Mortgage loan officer near you.